Having dropped over 50% in its share price since 2022, is this REIT still investable? Or is this an opportunity for you to invest in an undervalued REIT? For the REIT that I'm talking about today is none other than Cromwell REIT, who owns over 100 offices and industrial properties in Europe. Having gone through years of their annual report, my opinion is that Cromwell REIT may be investable as a tactical allocation for the following few reasons. Firstly, despite the political and economic headwinds experienced in Europe, Cromwell's operating performances and distribution behavior had remained relatively consistent. As a result, their dividend yield had skyrocketed as a result of a poor share price performances and a relatively unchanged bottom line performances. Secondly, the management is on their toes in their property management strategy and is willing to take steps to restructure their portfolio allocation to adapt to future trends. Currently, the management is shifting their allocation to be more industrial heavy instead of their previous allocation that is more office heavy. On this note, I'm in favor of what the management is doing, as the Western office market is and will continue to be negatively affected by the work from home trends and an economic slowdown, while the industrial demand will be uplifted by onshoring and friendshoring trends. Thirdly, Cromwell's cost of debt is unlikely going to increase further, as there's no refinancing requirement until November of 2025. By then, interest rates would have normalized to levels that Cromwell is currently borrowing, and as such, it is likely that the worst is over in terms of the negative impact of interest rate hike on Cromwell's bottom line performances. That being said, I would not consider Cromwell to be qualifiable as a core allocation in my portfolio, as the REIT's ability to maintain a stable distribution yield and its capital preservation ability is rather low. Furthermore, as a REIT investor that focuses on income yield and capital preservation, I do have a strong bias against non-Singapore property, given an additional layer of foreign currency risk. As such, it will make sense to consider a tactical allocation in Cromwell given how beaten down their valuation is. An investment in Cromwell European REIT should be made based on a short to mid-term basis, with a focus on high dividend yield and potential for capital gains. Given the downside risk in both stability in distribution as well as capital preservation, it should never form the bulk of your portfolio allocation. If you want to read my full analysis, you can access the report on my Telegram channel, where I'll go in depth on the fundamentals of Cromwell European REIT, my analysis and opinion on it as a potential investment to consider. You can access my Telegram channel through my website. The link will be in my bio. In 2024, I aim to analyze every single listed REIT on the Singapore Exchange. So if you find this type of content interesting or useful, do follow my account and stay updated with my weekly uploads.